Alright, in problem number 3, we're looking at to graph each system of inequalities. Here we have the system x plus y is greater than 5, and x minus y is less than or equal to negative 3, is less than negative 3. So first we're going to consider the actual lines, the boundary lines of these inequalities. So we're going to set the first inequality to an equation, x plus y equals 5. First we'll let x be equal to 0. So at this point, then this becomes 0 plus y equals 5, or y equals 5. So this ordered pair is 0, 5. Let's graph that. 0, 5 would be right here. Okay? Now we're going to let y be 0. So now we go x plus 0 equals 5. So x is equal to 5. So now we've got 5, 0, which is right here. So if I were to graph that, I would take, now this is going to be a dotted line. So we have to accordingly shove some things out there to indicate that it's dotted. Okay, so that's a dotted line. Okay. Now we need to decide which side is to shade. So we look at we look at 0, let the origin, so 0, 0. So I look at x plus y greater than 5. 0 plus 0 greater than 5. Is 0 greater than 5? Well, the answer is no. So I'm going to shade then on this side of the line, the opposite side of 0, 0. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing with this equation. Here I'm going to let x equal 0. So I have 0 minus y equals negative 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. So I have 0, 3. 0, 3. Do dot right there. Now I'm going to let y be 0. So now I have x minus 0 equals negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3. So my other point is negative 3, 0. Alright? So now my line going in this direction. And this is also dotted. Okay. And let's go ahead and extend this line too, so that, whoops, let's try that again. Pick the right color. And go ahead and extend the shading. And shading. Okay. Now we need to decide which side this is going to graph on. So again, I would say here we're going to go x minus y less than negative 3. So 0 minus 0 less than negative 3. Is 0 less than negative 3? Well, the answer to that is no, it's not. So we're not going to shade on the 0 side, we'll shade on this side of the line. So we're going to shade in this direction right here. And we can see our CSR, common shaded region, is going to be this area. It's going to be this area. Let me get the paintbrush here. It's going to be this area right in here where the two regions intersect. So that would be our common shaded region.